Okay, so today a quick review of the AUTOFILMAID screen protector for the DJI RC2 and RC controller. 9H screen protector. Here's the SKU. A little hard to make out here. And it's a 2-pack. Go ahead and open it. So it looks like we've got the normal cleaning wipes and sticker tabs, guide stickers. So it's got like a step 1, 2, 3 type of deal. A lot of screen protectors will come with that already put on the screen, which this kind of does. So we've got the 2 glass screen protectors, and then we've got the actual screen cover. And I have not tried this yet, but I have an RC2 controller here. See if this snaps on here. So unless I'm missing something, this doesn't actually like snap on and retain. And I don't see any instructions. Now the screen, of course, protector would be easy enough to install. And it does look like a good fit. You know, it seems like, and they've got a QR code for instructions, but it seems to me like maybe this was molded for the RC1 and not for the RC2, but I really don't see any way there would be any retention for these. So maybe it's just meant to just kind of cover it when you put it in your bag, kind of loosely. I've kind of pre-cleaned the screen here, but I'm gonna give it a wet dry clean just in case. And this is a relatively new controller. It came with the Mini 4 Pro. So there's really not a lot of scuffs or scratches on this screen. You want to make sure that you don't get any of the little bits of dust in the edges. So, and of course, if you get something that's hard to pull off, you can use a little dust sticker, just kind of stick on there and pull it off, but I don't have anything. So step 1 to peel off the protective film. Press and hold to avoid losses when you peel off. So that means that this is actually the bottom. To tear. I usually try to line up a corner, press in the middle, and kind of let it work its way out. Some of these will come with a little push tool where you can push out the bubbles. If you do a good job aligning it and cleaning the screen, shouldn't be much of a problem. And something they don't tell you is that over time, as these heat up and things like that, they tend to actually work out the bubbles on their own versus when you first apply them. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. And I'd say that looked pretty good. Let's see what it looks like clarity-wise. Looks good to me. And then, not sure why this is necessary, but kind of weird. Interesting. So it actually looks like it came with 3. One of them were already in the protective cover. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it snaps into this, and the new covers actually retains it. Let's see what this does. Nope. So I believe they've left out the instructions, but I believe this is actually an applicator rather than a screen protector. So had I kind of followed the directions maybe a little bit better or used the app, it would have been more apparent. But you know, when I purchased this, to me, I thought this was included as a screen protector, but I guess not. So this is actually an applicator to help you put it on just right, but it's really not a problem because these have raised edges. So you really don't need a special applicator, but looks pretty good. So that was the AUTOFILMAID for DJI RC and RC2.